Hi 7th graders, welcome back to a brand new school year. I'm really looking forward to what we have to uncover this year as we move into the 7th grade, even though it's going to look a lot different than it has before. This weekend I want you to go ahead and get familiar with the Google Classroom if you can. You have been sent an email, or your parents have been sent an email, where you have a brand new email this year that is a Gmail account. With that Gmail account, you can go ahead and access our Google Classroom for our 7th grade class. On Monday, we're going to have our first class meeting, and that's going to be at 10:35 a.m. and you can find that class meeting in the Google Classroom. Your job over the weekend is to figure out how you can get to that Google Classroom so that you can make it to Monday morning's meeting without too much fuss. We're going to have those morning meetings all week next week at the same time, Monday through Friday. In this following week, I'll give you another video just like this to tell you what the second week of school is going to look like. In addition to those morning meetings the first week of school, each of your families will be asked to come to school to meet with me, to check in, and to pass out materials. I have a lot of materials that are really important for me to give to you, so if you can, please come. If you're not able to come in person, please let me know in advance so that I can figure out how to get to you the necessary materials that you're going to need to succeed in the classroom for our first block, which is perspective drawing. Next week, I'll have only 2 little assignments for you. One of those assignments is going to be to get into the Google Classroom, start getting familiar with some of the tools, watch a video that I post about how to use the Google Classroom, and then do a short little assignment just letting me know that you are getting acquainted and familiar with how to turn assignments in using the Google Classroom. You might notice that I'm switching over from our class website to the Google Classroom. The class website is still available, yubarivergrade7.com, but it's really only available right now to schedule those meetings for next week. The second assignment that I'm going to assign next week is going to be our first perspective drawing assignment. I'll be giving you plenty of time to get that assignment taken care of because you're going to need to make sure that you have the materials and everything you need in order to do that lesson. At the end of next week, I'm going to give another video just like this to talk about what the future is going to look like with week 2 and beyond. Also, on the class website, you'll notice that there should be a syllabus somewhere. A syllabus is basically an outline for the entire year. You can go ahead and look at that syllabus at any point in time that you like, just to get more acquainted with what our school year is going to look like. I know that this year is different than in years past, and I'm really looking forward to and committed to making this year the best year possible, so that it is as engaging and as educational and interesting as possible for you. So thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Bye.